Friends, I greet you all. This is the Binary Bandit. Today we will trade OTC stocks. Many of you know that I hardly trade in OTC markets. Usually the profit we make with the team during the trading week is enough for me. And on weekends we don't trade at all, we don't log into the platform and we rest. Unfortunately, we haven't had any videos for a long time. I am currently on vacation and need to fix this. At the moment of recording, it is the weekend. And I opened the platform and OTC stocks. What I saw made me very curious. Almost every such asset is very easy to read. For example, let's take a look at the first asset I have open, American Express. The price is moving between two levels. Very stable, very predictable, and over several hours. Also, clear price reversals upon touching the level. I assume that the reversal has already occurred. Entering for 5 minutes upwards here would be a mistake. Let's see what we can achieve. Again, all of the above is just my opinion. This is said in comparison specifically with currency UTC assets. I don't take them very seriously and mostly trade on them only, with indicators for very small bet amounts and for short trade durations. So friends, let's trade strictly in stocks today, using the simplest technical analysis of levels and zones of support and resistance. So, our first trade closes in profit, a great stable movement. The next trades won't take long to come. I have already looked at different assets and found many good interesting points to trade. A second trade is noted, a very interesting situation, with a very strong daily level. And, just recently this level has been tested. This gives some confidence, because there haven't been any touches at this level for quite a while, but now it has worked out. And now we will enter, I think in 15 minutes or 5. Let's probably enter for 5 minutes. If there isn't enough activity, we'll open a larger trade next time. Here guys, everything is even clearer on a higher time frame. I think everything will be fine here. Everything will go according to plan. The second trade is in profit, friends. It's all elementary. Let's move on. This will be our third trade, friends. This is Tesla OTC. It is a several-hour stable upward trend that we see on the M3 time frame. And even without the super trend indicator, I will say that there is a very good entry point here. Let's open up for 5 minutes here to the upside. So this is the third plus 76 points, a great entry point, great movement. Let's move on. So friends, Amazon OTC has a very strong resistance level, multi-hour. We are entering here down for 10 minutes. I think 5 minutes won't have enough activity. The entry point is not the best. I could have entered on the touch. I wanted to enter even higher, but unfortunately I entered late. I hope everything works out here. I'm also looking at American Express. This is the asset on which we opened our first trade. The movements there are very nice, and look at the entry point here. I unfortunately missed it. I could have entered before this upward pullback. Excellent. The fourth profit. A slightly risky trade. It seems I should have put more time into the trade, as the price lingered a bit at the level. But we still made a profit, which is fine. Let's move on. And let's not drag this out. I'm opening the last trade, again on American Express, and once again you see that this is not the best entry point, but a reversal has occurred. So we'll enter here at the top. I think the movement should be upward here. We immediately get a pullback, which adds interest to this trade. That's it guys, we wait for the result. That's it friends, that was the 5th win. The movement continues to grow, which is nice. Today we had 5 wins without any losses trading OTC stocks. using the simplest technical analysis. Thank you all for watching, and good luck in your trading.